My dear students, good evening to everybody. Competitive chemistry, JEE, NEET focus. You know very well we are doing many shorts and many videos for the benefit of the children who are appearing for NEET and JEE. Okay. Another most important previous question: what is the mole fraction of solute in 1 molar aqueous solution? That is the question. You know, 1 molar. Please note it. 1 molar. 1 molar aqueous solution means 1 kg of the solvent. If you go for molality. 1 mole of the solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Then that solution is called 1 molar solution. Please note it. What is 1 molar solution? 1 molar means 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. This is molality. What is molality? 1 mole of the solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. That is called molality. That solution is called 1 molar solution. Molar, not molar. Molar solution. Okay? 1 molar. 1 molar means 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Okay? What is the mole fraction he has asked? Solute mole fraction he has asked. You know what is solution means? Solution means solvent plus solute. Okay. Solution means solvent plus solute. He has asked solute mole fraction. Okay. You please listen what I am telling you. 1 mole solute number of moles of solute. How much? 1 mole. Okay. You say Na is equal to 1 mole. 1 mole. At the same time, 1 kg of the solvent, weight of the solvent, 1 kg means 1000 grams. 1000 grams. What is solvent here? Water. Universal solvent. You can say all the substances in this universe will be dissolved in water. So please note it. Water may be called as a universal solvent. Okay. Weight of the solvent, how much he has given? 1 kg. Water, that is solvent. Water means solvent. Molecular weight or molar mass, you can say how much? 18 grams. Water, H2O. You know very well. H2O, 2 plus 16, 18. So 18 grams. Solvent molar mass, 18 grams. Weight of the solvent, 1 kg or 1000 grams. You see, number of moles of solvent. Weight of the substance by gram molecular weight. What is the formula of the moles? Weight of the substance by gram molecular weight or molar mass, you can say. How much weight of the substance? Weight of the solvent, how much? 1000 by gram molecular weight. Weight of the solvent. Molar mass. Water solvent molar mass 18 grams. This is nothing but 55.5. So Number of moles of solute, 1 mole, okay. That is Na. This is Nb. So Na is equal to 1 mole. Weight of the solvent 1 kg, that is 1000 grams. Water solvent molar mass 18 grams. H2O 18 grams. So number of moles of solvent Nb is equal to weight of the substance, that is 1000, gram molar mass, that is 18. 1000 by 18, 55.5. What they have asked, mole fraction of the solute. Solute mole fraction is equal to, solute mole fraction is equal to, so what is the formula? Solute mole fraction, number of moles of the solute divided by total moles. Number of moles of solute by total moles means solvent moles. Number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute, how much? Na by Na plus Nb. Na how much? 1 malla Na 1, Nb 55.5. Okay, this is 1 by 56.5. 1 by 56.5. This indicates mole fraction of the solute, 0.01. If you go for calculation. So this is the problem. What is the mole fraction of the solute in 1 mole aqueous solution? Let me repeat. 1 mole means 1 mole solute dissolved in 1 kg of the solvent. Please note it. Solution means solvent plus solute. Here, number of moles of solute I am going to calculate. Number of moles of solute, how much? 1 mole. Weight of the solvent 1 kg he has given. Weight kg. Water molecular weight. Water means solvent molar mass 18 grams. Number of moles of solvent. Weight of the substance by molar mass. Weight 1000, molar mass 18, 55.5. We want solute mole fraction. If you want solute mole fraction, number of the moles of the solute upon number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute, that is Na by Na plus Nb. Na 1, Nb 55.5. So total 1 by 56.5. That is, go for 0.01 something. Thank you.